I would like to describe what colors I like. My favorite color is blue. I like it because it looks cool and calm. Blue makes me feel happy and relaxed. I often wear blue clothes to school. I also like the blue sky and the sea. Colors are important because they make life beautiful and fun.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue
Why do you like this color?
because it looks cool and calm.
How does blue make you feel?
It makes me feel happy and relaxed.
What do you often wear to school?
I often wear blue clothes.
What things are blue?
The sky and the sea are blue
Why are colors important?
because they make life beautiful and fun.